My name is Matt Miller. I am a design consultant with Renewal by Andersen.
And I am his wife, Jessica.
We've been in this house now for
22 years.
Yeah, 20 years. We had some doors that were rotting. I kind of watched it happen. We found some quick fixes trying to epoxy this and do that and help things limp along. So when it was just like, I sell other people doors every day. I was like, I ought to fix the problems at my own house. So we got to looking at it. We were having some fun. As I was training, building doors, we built doors for my house. And then it eventually was like, we should probably buy these doors now.
So I had a lot of fun playing with the program and building pretty doors. I decided that I didn't know that I don't know, I never really looked at doors and windows before he started working for a door and window company. I don't like the grills in my back windows. I want to not have grills, and I didn't know that was an option. So we got ones with no grills, and I wanted a slider and not a patio door, and so many different things that I was like, oh, we have options and all things that we can do. And then my front door has never had a deadbolt. And I want a deadbolt.
My job as a design consultant, it's actually a lot of fun. I mean, it's a position of honor, really. I get to go into people's homes. I get to make friends, solve problems, offer them solutions. It's going to be fun to be on the other side of it today, not as a design consultant. Well, it gets as a design consultant, but also as a customer.
I really like that the slider has that little foot pedal thingy, or the little also security,
It's the auxiliary foot lock.
That thing. Whatever that thing is called.
I've got samples in my car if you'd like me to go
I know,
get it.
right?
Yeah.
You don't have to use the broom handle. In the way that they're built, they don't have the things that are going to collect dirt.
It's the elevated track, not the trough.
Not the trough.
Yeah.
I'm excited about that.
Yeah. We also bought the A series door. This is a really nice door. So.
We went fancy.
I think she should be a design consultant as well.
So here's the deal. I felt as a supportive wife of a design consultant, I have given him lots of roadblocks, lots of objections. I feel like I was his hardest sale.
Yeah, this door appointment for these two doors it took longer than any other appointment I've ever had. We used to have a patio door that, I think you saw pictures earlier, but it had rot down here. We had, the bottom was all soft, so we've completely transformed the back of the house. It was a patio door, hinge door. Now we've got this beautiful A-series contemporary glider, terratone on the outside, white on the inside. The team has been working on it for an hour just to make sure everything is perfect.
How's it looking out there, Morgan?
Good. So security, design, fixing problems, and so I always joke with homeowners. I said, we needed doors, and just so I know a door guy. So, but we're excited to have this done today.